Hello viewers, greetings from Boston and thank you for watching Rani Vani Boston channel, and I hope you will like this video. If you like it, please click on that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. That will encourage me to produce more videos. Thank you.
Oh yeah,
Good, thank you. They're all organic?
they are. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, do you want to talk about a little bit about Cabot?
So Cabot is 100% farmer owned. We're a cooperative. There's 1,100 farmers in New England and upstate New York that own the brand. I actually have a farm. I'm the closest farm to Boston in Carlisle, Mass. That's a picture of my farm right there. So I'm about half an hour from right here. So when you buy Cabot products, you're directly supporting farm families like mine. Been farmer owned since 1919. We do tons of different cheeses, yogurts, butter, sour cream. We have a new shredded line, some really cool flavors.
Excellent, thank you.
Uh-oh. You like it, Moses? Better than Yankees? All right, so let's get three. Okay. I'll do all this. Yeah, one oyster.
Keep making, I just want to roll that.
I'm making a fresh
Yeah.
mozzarella.
What are you making?
Fresh mozzarella.
All right.
Shut up. There we go.
There we go. Thank you.
So what exactly is Natural Awakening?
Natural Awakenings. We are a Healthy Living, Healthy Planet magazine publication. We're a free publication throughout the greater Boston area. We like to think of ourselves as a bridge between holistic and medical, so everything in between. We like to meet readers where they are and just encourage a little better lifestyle. We're more on the positive side. We like to encourage rather than discourage. So
Thank you.
you're very welcome.
Oh, it's spicy. It's like honey. This is wrong.
And it's made with just 5 ingredients, no additives, no fillers, and no preservatives, right? Everything we do is made with maple syrup. We're maple producers. That's when we came down from Vermont. We're farmers in Vermont. We make maple syrup. And then we add value by making these other products, including smoked maple syrup, real wood smoke, nothing else has been added. For salmon, for vegetables, for stir fry, for chicken and ribs. Our line of hot sauces, the cleanest ingredient labels of any hot sauce, sriracha-based barbecue sauce, designed to let the skills of the chef shine forward. We're in southern Vermont.
We're about southern Vermont, right?
Well, we're in Londonderry, Landgrove, that area.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
So this is the olive with caramelized onions, my favorite. Sour. Yeah, I usually try this one. Thank you so much. Good morning.
You and I can take
Yeah, I want to get anything that makes it
mine right there.
Oh yeah, hold up.
That's
Oh, the back. Okay. Yeah. All right. If you guys just stay right where you guys are, because the sign is right behind you. Okay, yay! Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
I'll put it up on YouTube tonight.
I do. I can take care of it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello.
explain to me what your program is about.
All right, we're a master's degree in food studies. So it's called an MLA in gastronomy. So it's a degree program that's based in the liberal arts with courses in food history, food anthropology, food and the senses, and then a variety of elective courses, including culinary arts classes.
And then these are some courses we have in the spring. So wild and foraged, where we'll both in and out of the classroom looking for wild foods locally. U.S. food policy, science of food and wine, and reading and writing the food memoir.
The veggie, beef and steak and cheese.
Lobster for sure.
Lobster,
The Korean beef, please.
beef,
And I'll do the veggie.
and a veggie.
Mix it up. All right. Lobster. Cash change.
Thank you. Beef,
And I'm gonna try the steak.
steak and cheese. Sister, I get some steak and cheese when you get a sec.
This is the real fruit.
Yeah,
Yes, they're off the Cabot.
these are the beans that are inside.
Better that way. Hello there, how's it going? So here's some baklava samples. We have pistachio, we have pecan, and we have walnuts. Our baklava is a little different. That instead of honey on top, we put a syrup made out of rose water, a little bit of sugar, and then also some orange and lemon zest to make it a little lighter.
Where are you based at?
So we are working out of our residential home in Walpole, and we are now working to be able to sell online across the United States. So we still have to get the license for that. Yeah.
I do. Do you want it?
That would be $1.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know where he lives.
I can track it down.
Hey, one of these, please.
So what do you have today?
We got chicken, we got tandoori chicken, chicken tikka masala, plain rice, saag paneer, and chickpeas, fresh vegetables, and vegetable samosa. And,
Are you fans of granola? So we have 4 flavors that are grain-free, gluten-free, and vegan, all made by hand in our kitchen in Swansea, New Hampshire. Then we have with us 6 flavors that are traditional. They're made with certified gluten-free oats, also made and mixed by hand. All of our granola is sweetened with pure New Hampshire maple syrup we get from Ben's Sugar Shack in Temple, New Hampshire. And
I'll be there. You try them now.
thank you.
It takes a while. Yeah, this pork is coming from Turkey. It's from Turkey? I haven't seen the original of the previous is this pot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you put the powder in that and then the water, it boils in it?
It's on the back. This is hot. Okay, thank you.
What do you have it in this big pot? What do you have it in here?
rice and peas
That's
cooking.
rice,
Yeah.
and the
And
other
that's
one?
sauce for the jerk.
And I see some curry or something cooking. Can you take the lid out? I wanted to show this, please.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So, what are you guys carrying?
So we have the leftover grain from the brewing industry and we repurpose it into a high protein, high fiber flour.
Pizza sauce and pizza topping, pretty good. And we have recipes for sloppy joes, block meat hummus, cocktail meatballs, salad dressing, bloody berry mix, and more. You want to try the hot?
That is monkfish. Okay. Thank you very much. Feel free. You can grab a little bowl, pop it right in there. I'm trying to make them little one-biters, but awesome. Thank you. You're very welcome. If you want to try, feel free, sir. I'll pop one right in the bowl for you.
Oh, perfect. It's pretty warm. It's blowing it. There's no sugar or anything in our teas. No caffeine either.
Anthony.
Healthy. Corn is healthy.
Yeah, corn is good.
Right here.
Give it to my mother.
I mean, it's hot.
Hey, how's it going? Good. We're grain maker. We're Southeast Asian. Focusing on brown rice, cauliflower rice here. We've got green beans. Vegans? Yeah. We're something they're vegan. The only thing that won't be vegan here will be our peanut lime sauce. And the only reason we say it's not vegan is our honey. So some people are like, it's I mean, that way we cover all bases, and I'll let you know. But for the most part,
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. This must be from Vermont.
It is.
Yum.
Thanks so much. Enjoy. Hi, how are you? Good. Hi. You want to try any of our water?
Busy. Oh my gosh. Would you like to try?
Thank you for watching Rani Vani channel. There are 3 things I like to request. Please, if you like it, click on that thumbs up button and share it with your friends, and hit that round Rani Vani button to subscribe it, and also click on that notification bell as well. Thank you so much. See you soon. Ciao.